Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over some of the best credit cards for groceries. So as you can see, most of these are from American Express. The first one is Blue Cash and they have a 1% to 6% cashback, which is very good. And on the Nerd Wallet rating, they have a 5 out of 5. Next up, we have the American Express Gold Card, which is a 4.6, and they give a 1 to 4 times back of your points. Then we have Blue Cash Everyday Card, which is a 4.9, really high, and they give a 1% to 3% cashback. Next up, there is a City Custom Cash Card, which is 4.7%, and there is a 1% to 5% cashback. Then we have Capital One Saver Cash, and so far from what we've seen, it's a 5 out of 5 at the highest, which is 1% to 8% cashback. Then we have US Bank Cash, as you can see, and then US Bank Shopper, 1.5 to 1.6%, sorry, 6%, and then City Strata, which is a 1x to 10x points, which is really great. You can get up to like 70,000 points. And then the last two are City Double Cash, which is a 1% to 5% cashback, and then a Prime Visa, which is a 1% to 5% cashback. And these are the best credit cards for groceries. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.